Hey guys, so we all know in 12 days it's going to be Christmas, and some of us are kind of sure on how to wrap a present, and some of us are not good at all, and then some of us are pro at it. So for those who are kind of unsure and not really good at it, I'm going to teach you guys. And what I have here is the new Evolution. I have my straightener in here, and we're going to be gift wrapping that. And I picked blue wrapping paper, it's my favorite color. And then you're also going to need double-sided Scotch tape and then regular tape. And then scissors, of course. And I all brought you guys string so you guys can learn how to make your own handmade bow to put on your present if you want. Okay, so the first step is you're going to line it up with the lines on one of the papers. Kind of bring it halfway up. Come here, please. Bring it halfway up. And then you're going to do the same on this side. See how it's like right there? Just kind of eyeball it. So then I'm going to cut this side. And it's really nice if you do get the gift wrapping paper that has the lines, because it'll really make a difference in how you wrap your present. Okay. My mom just spilled her drink. Alright, so you're going to fold it over, and like you see how we have like a lot. What you're going to do is you're going to cut it. Because we do not need that much. And you're going to cut it to about here. So... and you don't really have to follow the lines for this part just because it's going to be underneath anyways. So, like about right there, I would say. And this is when you're going to use your regular tape. So on your present, bring it about right there. And then, oops, tape it. And then you're going to bring it really close and tight to you. That way it's easier to like fold and stuff. And you're going to bring this over. And as you can see again, we have a little bit extra. So we're going to do the same thing to this side. About right here. Okay. And we're going to fold it about an inch and just kind of eyeball it. And then crease it. And then this is when you're going to use your double-sided tape. Just kind of say right there. And then right here. So then you're going to pull really tight. Use some force with it. And then you're going to bring it right there. Be careful. And just press it. Oh, it looks nice and clean. And then once that step is done, we're going to go to the side step. And this is when, this is when you're gonna fold the corners, kind of like the wings of the present. And then you're gonna tuck that in, and you're gonna tuck that in. And you're gonna fold that at the bottom. And then, well, we don't really need this tape yet. We're going to use the double-sided tape. And we're going to put it right here. And then we're going to pull up, stick it, just press it really hard, whoops. That'll be alright. Then we're going to turn it over on this side and do the same thing. Go down. Kind of make your wings on your present again. And then you're going to fold those in and fold that in. And then that's when you're going to need the double-sided tape once again. Put it right here. Pull it up nice and tight. And then bada bing. There is your perfect present. And now I will teach you how to make the bow. Okay guys, so here we have our string, and what we're going to be doing You're going to have your two fingers kind of like a peace sign, and you're going to do it to right here, and you're going to put it over your fingers, and you're going to go under this finger, over this finger, under, over, and then under and up. So in case you didn't get that, we'll do it one more time. You're going to do it like this. You're going to go under this finger, over, and then under again. And then you're going to take this, kind of hold it, and then put it through the crevice of your finger and pull it through. And then once you have that, you're going to bring it around and you're going to tuck it right through there, and then you're going to pull it through. And you're just going to keep wiggling it, pull it tighter. And then just slip your fingers out, and then there you have it, your bow.